welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. There's a barrow full of polar bears, and polar bear is a very famous hydrangea. That's one, we'll put this video up afterwards. It's only a 2-year-old Hydrangea Polar Bear. It's got enormous white flowers, starts to flower around the end of June and finishes around the end of September time. It's really tough and hardy, and I like it's got great big strong stems. It's able to hold itself up. Now this is the time of year to plant Hydrangea Polar Bear. You dig a hole twice the depth of the pot. Don't forget that super thrive fertilizer goes at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same banking around. And height realistically is going to grow roughly around a decent 4 feet high, about the same across, and really enormous white flowers. The video I'm going to put up is only of one 2 years old, but give it into its 3rd year, into its 4th year, they're absolutely stunning and fantastic. And June until mid-September flowering, and as tough as old boots and great strong stems. This is the time of the year to plant a polar bear. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.